So let me ask you, post-elections in the Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, a backdoor understanding with the MIM in running it later?
Navika, we won 99 seats out of 150 last time. We trounced MIM, in their bastion. We won 6 seats there. We also came close second in 10. BJP was nowhere on the scene. Now also, this time around also, we will win absolute majority. So we do not need any closed door or open door alliances with anybody. Trust me. You will see this happening on the 4th of December.
I think कुछ deep झगड़ा है ओवैसी साहब से. क्या हो गया? What's led to this kind of a divorce?
मुझे किसी के साथ झगड़ा नहीं है. हमारे पॉलिटिकल ओपोनेंट है. हमारे कोई दुश्मन नहीं है. हमारे पॉलिटिकल ओपोनेंट है. चाहे वो बीजेपी हो, MIM हो, TDP हो, कांग्रेस हो, सारे अपोनेंट हैं. बाकी तो उनसे पर्सनल लेवल पे तो कुछ नहीं है. एनिमोसिटी कुछ नहीं है. कोई झगड़ा नहीं है. सारे ही लोग अपोनेंट है. इलेक्शन में जब लड़ते हैं तो वी पॉइंट आउट ईच अदर्स फ्लॉज. व्हाट इज रॉन्ग इन दैट?
Let me ask you, a few days ago, we understand there was a closed-door meeting in the TRS, and your father, the Chief Minister, Mr. KCR, said that there should be a third front of possibly a non-BJP, non-Congress coalition. Do you think there is space for a coalition of that kind at this point?
Well, I can tell you one thing for sure. The two national parties of this country have failed this country miserably in the last 75 years. So yes, there is a space for a third alternative, but time will tell. उसका वक्त आएगा. वक्त आने पे सारे चीज कभी ना कभी, there will be developments. Then there will be, alternative ideas and alternative politics. Time will answer that question.
Well, in 2019, also your father made similar attempts, from Naveen Patnaik to Mamta Banerjee to Sharad Pawar, and as they say, everybody was all dressed up, but on the 16th of May, there was nowhere to go because there was 303 seats in Mr. Modi's pocket. So, do you think at this moment, after the Bihar win
Navika,
that the BJP
politics is not static.
Yeah.
Politics is not static, Navika. Politics is very dynamic. दो मेंबर की पार्टी अगर आज 303 सीट हासिल कर सकती है तो कुछ भी हो सकता है पॉलिटिक्स में. और आप बिहार की बात कर रही हैं. बिहार में जीता कितने से इन्होंने? कितने वोट के फर्क से जीता? 12,000.
But that's not the point. It's first past the post and the number of seats, and clearly they had the number of.
That is the point. The point is the vote got split. The entire election, out of the 240 odd seats, the election was decided by a hair's breadth, 12,000 votes. So therefore, to misconstrue it to be a huge victory is in itself a glorification of the wrong kind.
Okay, so are you saying this was a fluke victory? By chance, somebody just got lucky in the race, this victory in Bihar for the BJP?
No, all I'm saying is I'm an observer who sits somewhere far away from Bihar. All I'm saying is Mr. Tejasvi Yadav was really, really unlucky that he had a terrible partner in the form of Congress who became a dead weight onto his neck, is what I think. And also, I think, just a 12,000 vote difference really says that it was a very, very, very close election. And I don't think in independent India, we've ever had a state election that went so close.